What's up guys, Shahbaz here. So an insider showed high quality renders of a folding smartphone, Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 4 in 4 colors. The official announcement is expected very soon. According to the latest news, Samsung is confident in the success of the Galaxy Z Fold 4 and Galaxy Flip 4 smartphones. According to TM Rao, head of the Samsung MX Mobile division, summed up some of the results of the direction in the company's blog and said that new devices are suitable for both work and self-expression. In August, Samsung plans to hold the Galaxy Unpacked Event 2022, where it will showcase a new generation of foldable smartphones. This will take place on August 10, and the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 4 and Galaxy Z Fold 4 are expected to debut at the event. And here is an insider, Steve Hammerstoffer, known under the nickname On Leaks, who published high-quality computer images of the Galaxy Z Flip 4. Judging by them, 4 color options are expected. The design of the hinges has remained unchanged, but the camera module looks a little different. The volume buttons are on the right, while the SIM card tray is on the left. The speaker grill and USB Type-C port are located at the bottom. The Galaxy Z Flip 4 is expected to feature a 6.7 inches AMOLED display with a 120Hz refresh rate and Full HD Plus resolution. In addition, it received a 2.1 inches AMOLED screen on the outside. It will act as a secondary display. Inside, the promise a powerful 8-core Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1 processor, up to 12GB of RAM, and up to 256GB of permanent memory, a 3700 mAh battery with 25 watts fast battery charging. The main camera will receive 2 modules of 12 megapixels, and the front one is expected to be 10 megapixels. Exact prices and release date have not yet been announced. On the other hand, we can expect a tangible improvement in the telephoto in the Galaxy S23 Ultra. Samsung may use the same periscope module as the Galaxy S22 Ultra. At least the basic parameters are the same. Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra can get the same TV as the Galaxy S22 Ultra. The source says the novelty, like the current flagship, will receive a 10 megapixel periscope camera with 10x optical zoom. Whether this means using the same sensor and the same camera is not yet clear, but it is quite possible. That's it for now. For more updates, please subscribe to our channel Science and Knowledge. Until the next video, take care of yourself very well. Peace out.